Hey guys, what's up? It's Justin here from C4D Tuts. I think my sound should be good this time. Last tutorial we had a little bit of static. I figured out why. One of my USB ports wasn't working, so there's some like bullshit stuff going on. But anyways, I hope it sounds good this time. I can't really tell right now because I'm talking into a mic, obviously. But this is the third tutorial that I've uploaded to my channel. This one will be on basic movement, basic keyframing. So basically how to make an object move. This can be done with any object, really. So first I guess we could just start out with a sphere. So just create any object, just do a square, sphere, doesn't matter, whatever you want to make move. It doesn't really matter where it is. But down here, this will be the main tools that we'll be using to do movement. These are time frame. To change the time, usually it starts out at 90, but I think I changed it already. Usually it starts out as 90, but if you want to change the length of your project, you could just double click this and type into here. For like when I'm making intros, I usually just do 300 frames because 300 frames is 10 seconds, and that's a pretty good, decent amount of time for an intro. But alright, so what you're gonna do for basic movement and basic keyframing, these are the these are the buttons that you'll be using for keyframing. Right now, nothing is happening in the timeline, or nothing is going on in the project. It's just nothing really. So if you want to get this sphere to say move over to here, like during the project, so right now we are at 0 frames. So you have to make a marker right here with the keyframer. That's the automatic, or I mean, this is the manual keyframer. This is the automatic one. I'll go over both of these. Alright, so what you do is you set a point right here, you set a keyframe right here, and then let's just move to like 60 frames. It doesn't really matter. I'm just showing you how to do it. And then you can drag it down, just drag the sphere to right there and set another point. And this right here is the motion path that that the sphere will be moving. So if you hit go all the way to the back and then press play, your sphere will have basic movement. You can set more of these so it can go all over the fucking place. This is really useful for basically anything tutorial, or not tutorials, for like intros, for any of that crap basically. So like if you want to do more than one of these, you could set another one at 80 and then have it go down after that. So then there will be sort of like an arc, I guess you could say. So then after that, your animation will be like that. So alright, and now I'm going to delete all of these keyframes and show you how to do the automatic keyframing. For this one, it really just charts the movement on its own. So like, what am I doing? If you wanted to start right here, then you can drag it down, and then you have your next point right here. I don't really like this one at all. It's sometimes inaccurate. I use the manual one, but this one is basically just charts it on its own. Like if you wanted to start at 0, you basically just start here. And then when you move to here, like say you want to have it move at 60 frames, which is 2 seconds, you then drag it to where you want it to move to. So that's your path really. Then after that you could like move it to like 90, and then you could have it move this way. So then what you have is, you know, another arc. So that's how to use manual keyframing, or that's how you use automatic keyframing. I prefer automatic, but I prefer manual, but it's really just up to you guys. So yeah, that's just a basic tutorial how to do movement. You can do this with any object. You can do it with text. You can do it with like models. You can do it with anything really. So I hope you guys enjoyed. That's the third Cinema 4D tutorial. Thumbs up, favorite, comment if you enjoyed this. And I hope to upload more. Peace.